Growth and investments by both public and private players are bolstering the quality and coverage of both medical products and services. According to a NASSCOM report, it is estimated that the healthcare sector will grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 16% and will cross $370 billion by 2022. There's also a significant increase in funds allocated by Government of India in the healthcare expenditure. With these changes in the healthcare sector, it is becoming clear that highly trained doctors and nurses and other medical staff, while necessary for healthcare delivery, are no longer sufficient, and their skills need to be complemented with an equally competent and highly trained administrative and management cadre. We at the Max Institute of Healthcare Management at ISB, along with Executive Education, are launching a certificate program in healthcare management to address this need of India's healthcare sector. Hello, I'm Sarang Deo. I'm a professor and area leader in the area of operations management at the Indian School of Business. I also serve as the Executive Director of ISB's Max Institute of Healthcare Management. This 12-week program will provide you with a deep dive into India's healthcare system. Through a series of online lectures, real-life examples, case studies, online discussions, you will develop a management perspective on various aspects of healthcare. In particular, you will learn about accounting and finance, process analysis and design, marketing strategies, as well as strategic management and competitive strategies and leadership. Traditionally, healthcare organizations have started and grown around a clinical practice where the focus is on patient-clinician interaction, and other aspects of the business have typically been managed intuitively. This is no longer sustainable in a changing landscape. The clinical interaction needs to be rethought, and today's healthcare organizations need to understand that health outcomes are dependent on a complex system of both clinical as well as non-clinical components. Furthermore, to succeed in the marketplace, leaders also need to be adept at non-clinical aspects of the business. They need to know how to manage expenses and budgets of their organizations, how to redesign, reinvent processes of healthcare delivery, develop new marketing strategies, and come up with new competitive positions of their organizations vis-a-vis other competitors in the marketplace. As a healthcare professional, you need to first manage budgets and expenses of your organization. Second, you need to develop marketing strategies and figure out ways to keep your customers and patients engaged. Third, you need to get these insights and create and design processes for more effective and efficient delivery of healthcare services. Through an engaging pedagogy that spans 120 plus videos, 20 plus assignments, 10 plus discussions, this program will offer you a comprehensive understanding of various aspects of healthcare organizations. From developing budgets and managing expenses, to strategic positioning, to creating different communication strategies to engage and attract customers, finally to developing new healthcare delivery processes for effective healthcare delivery. You will learn about the foundations of management as it applies to healthcare organizations through key modules like cash flows and financial ratios, process excellence, which comprises of process design and analysis. You'll also learn about strategic management in healthcare, and all of this will be through real-world examples from organizations in the Indian as well as global healthcare landscape. Well, this program is suitable both for clinical people such as doctors, doctors of pharmacy, paramedical professionals, as well as non-clinical people such as mid-level healthcare administrators. It's suitable for people who want to understand the basics of healthcare management and want to advance in their careers into a leadership role, or some of them who want to start their own healthcare organizations and businesses, such as a hospital or grow their existing organization into a chain of hospitals. Finally, if you are looking to innovate in healthcare management, then this is the program for you.